Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is regarding how to create a dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Dependent drop-down list means a drop-down list in one cell depends upon the value in another cell. For example, here I have two drop-down lists. One is the country name selection drop-down and the other is city name selection drop-down. The city name list will depend upon the country name selected here. Currently USA country is selected, that is why the city names are given which are in USA. If I change this country name to India, now the city name will be changed. Here you see these are the cities which are in India. If I select here Nepal, then I'll see the cities that are in Nepal. So here I'm going to show you how to create this dependent drop-down list. Let's get started. First of all, you have to prepare the data source for creating the dependent drop-down list. Here in another sheet, prepare the data like this. Keep the country name at the top and the city's name below the country name. And if your country name has two words like the United Kingdom, you have to join both words together by putting a symbol like the underscore symbol. It means there should not be any space between two words in the country name only. But in case of the city names, the space between words doesn't matter. After preparing the data like this, we have to now define the name for each country and city range. For that, select country and city name list, then press and hold the Ctrl key in the keyboard, then select another country and city range, the third country city range, fourth country and city range, and finally the fifth country and city range. Now you can release the Ctrl key press. After that, click on the Formula tab. Then here in the defined name section, you have an option that is create from selection. Click on this. Here you see create names from the values in the top row. It means the name will be created in the name of these country names. Now click on OK. Click on the name manager. Here you see the names are created based on the country name. Close this name manager window. Click on any cell outside this range to deselect them. Go to the dependent drop-down list sheet. Here in the country name selection, create a normal drop-down list for selecting the country. That is by going to the data tab, then go to data validation. Here in this drop-down, select list, and in the source of the drop-down, go to the data source. Then select this country name range. Then click on OK. Now you see the country name selection drop-down is created. Now here to create the dependent drop-down, click on the cell, go to data, then data validation. Here in this drop-down, select a list, and here in the source of the list, use here the indirect function. Press equal to indirect open parenthesis. Then put the cell reference where there is country name, that is the C4 cell. So put here C4 cell reference, close parenthesis, then click on OK. Now here you see the dependent drop-down list is created where you can see the cities that are in India. Let me select one. Now if I change the country name to USA, here you see the cities that are in USA are given. So this is how you can create the dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample workbook file from the video description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, consider subscribing the channel to get similar video updates in future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.